Lloyd Law College. It's an institution that works on a very unique idea. It believes that legal education cannot be catered thoroughly until the students are provided with the practical training within the law school. Forwarding the idea, it has established many cells including legal aid cell, moot court cell, internship cell, etc. And amongst these cells, one of the most renowned cell is Lloyd Trial Advocacy Cell. It's an initiative led by Lloyd Law College in association with Vasishta Law Offices. Its objective is to inculcate the art of trial advocacy among the students. Learning the law in practice at the college level is the essence of this cell. The competition is held annually and each year more than 180 students register. But only one-fourth of the applicants could manage to enter the prelims after a two-stage screening test. The structure of the competition is such that a dedicated rulebook is there that helps in managing the competition in a more procedural way. In this competition, the participants have to begin with the initial stage of a crime. Participants are also given workshops by the experts before each round. Firstly, the participants have to act as complainant and realize the prosecution story that they create in their mind. Then they play the role of investigation officer and lodge the FIR. The opponent participant act as counsel for the accused. The participants are provided 40 to 45 days to complete the investigation and to file the final report, that is the charge sheet for that case. From the day of lodging of FIR, the participants are allowed to file miscellaneous applications like bail, quashing of FIR, etc. Only few participants go forward after evaluation of the charge sheet and they present their case at the sessions court. The judges of these courts are practicing criminal law advocates at various high courts. The cause list is served a day ahead to all the participants and the items are called accordingly in all 5 to 6 fictitious courts. The proceedings are never time bound. On first date, the participants argue on the framing of charges. The participants also train their accused, complainants, victims, investigation officer that also assist in the proceeding of the court. After this stage, some participants are left out. Only 24 participants step forward to the prosecution evidence stage. The participants acting as PP file a list of witnesses before the registry, which is served to the opposite party in advance. They are given 3 to 4 weeks time to train their witnesses. And at the stage of PE, the prosecution chief examines the witness and the defense crosses it. The stenos present in each court write the testimonies. From taking oath to exhibition, everything takes place according to the CRPC. Then the selected participants follow the stage under section 313 of the CRPC. Only a few participants enter the defense evidence stage. After the DE, only 4 participants are selected to argue in the final argument stage. During the course of the competition, participants learn the art of trial advocacy. They also experience many interim procedures including bails, inspections, filing of application under section 482 or under article 226 of the Constitution. The judges of the competition are served the case files ahead of the proceedings so that justice can be done to the pleadings of the participants. To conduct the competition in a fair, transparent, and uniform manner, the registry issues notification on regular basis. The cell has its own dedicated website that is like a mirror copy of a district court website. It teaches the students law in practice before the criminal courts. It is taught as an essential training skill for litigators in law schools and in continuing legal education programs. This competition is unique in itself as the participants are not given any fact sheet or any trial problem by the OC. It is the participants who design their own fictional problem. From August to April, the competition takes around 9 months to complete this exercise. The another side of the competition is the registry. It functions 24/7. It prepares cause list and takes into record all the applications replies filed by the councils. Anyone in need of court fees or wishes to get the affidavit attested, they can approach the registry. And in case the application shows any defect, the registry returns it back to the applicant.